How to refund games on Steam. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to refund a game on Steam, you need to have Steam installed in your computer. Go ahead and launch it and log into your specific account. You might want a refund for various reasons, but the main rules are you must have bought the game within the last 14 days and you must have played it for less than 2 hours. So to request a refund, you need to go ahead, tap on the top left of the Steam, and then tap on Help, which you will find beside the Games option. Go ahead and tap on that. Now from the drop-down menu that appears, you need to go ahead and tap on Steam Support. Again, from this menu, scroll all the way down and then tap on Purchases, which is between Games and My Account option. As I do not have any games purchased in my account, the option is not available. But in your case, you'll get the option to select the specific purchase you want to refund and then click on I would like a refund and then I'd like to request a refund, and Steam will check if you're eligible. Choose where you want the refund to go for example, PayPal or any other form of payment. Then give a reason for refund request and click on submit request, and if successful, you'll receive your refund. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.